In 2010, a fan, after a successful startup, bought this Lexus 570 for $200. Now, after 15 years and 650,000 kilometers, his business has also been thriving. But this old companion is now worn out. Over these 15 years, it has worked tirelessly, accumulating various issues, and can no longer continue to run. Having chanced upon our restoration video, it was so professional that with no budget, we're doing a full car overhaul to bring it back to its prime. Without further ado, watch us save this old-timer's car. Let's strip it down.
The car's still leaking. The carpet's all wet.